unlocking one more of these parables, and they just keep unlocking. Once you have the password of Chaitya Sam, you begin to see what Jesus is talking about so clear. How the enemy is destroying the world, so clear. The real difference between OSDP, or the original substance divine principle, is in the chapter of the purpose of creation. And particularly in that chapter, the whole teaching on absolute sex, sexual morality. That's also been the cornerstone of Father's, one of his books in the 8 great textbooks that he made, which is called The Gateway to Heaven. True Family, The Gateway to Heaven. But really, when you go into it, he's not talking about a whole family structure. He's talking about very specifically about husband and wife and good absolute sex. So clear. Also, the meaning of foundation day. What we realize is, it was so unbelievably clear to me. Bad sex destroys the world. So, what will be able to recreate the world? Bad sex destroys relationships, it destroys marriage, destroys families, destroys children's relations with their parents, etc. If that's what destroys the world, then good sex, holy, between true husband and true wife for eternity, good sex, where two live for the sake of the other, where two serve each other, where two are living constantly to bring the other joy and happiness. Right? That means husbands, we take out the garbage, we paint our wives' toenails, we do those small little things to show her we care. You understand what I'm saying, husbands? We're serving her like God's queen. And as we do that, then we can become very blessed, because God and our wife can bless us with love and acknowledgement, and I'm going to be open with you, good sex. That's right, husband. You're trying not to laugh, but I see you smiling.